Hi everyone, this is the Gransfors Brook axe, which is considered by many axe users as the best axe in production today. For more than 100 years, Gransfors Brook was hand-forging axes, and the same tradition carried on until today to produce the best axe you can find in the marketplace. All Gransfors Brook's axes come with 20 years product guarantee from the date of purchase, stamped with the axe smith's initials who forged the axe. This is the commitment of quality that you get when buying any of these legendary axes, and this is why each axe considered as a limited edition, not by its design or function, but by the maker himself or herself. The axe that I have decided to buy is the carpenter's axe. I'm not sure if it is the same axe used by Floki, the boat builder, in the Viking series, but what I'm sure about is that it's designed for dry wood carving, chiseling, and roughing. There are many types of axes, like any other tool out there. It is up to you to decide which one best suits your need. If you are into bushcraft or camping, then you better get a wildlife hatchet or a forest axe, as these axes are designed and built to take down small trees or branches or for wood splitting. For me, or at least for now, the carpenter's axe should fit my needs. The metal used to make this axe is heated up to 1200 degrees Celsius before the axe smith can start forming the axe, and when he's done, the axe is left to cool down at air temperature. Then the axe bevel is grinded to the final shape while the metal is still soft. Once the axe blade bevel is established, the blade is reheated to 800 degrees Celsius and cooled quickly with water to achieve the 57 Rockwell hardness. Finally, the axe is annealed in an oven for about 1 hour under 200 degrees Celsius to de-stress the steel structure. The blade comes wickedly sharp out of the box, as you can see, and does not require any sharpening and should hold the edge for a long time. The blade is 3.5 inches wide and has a straight edge to allow for chiseling work or using it for hand planing. Also, the low-angled blade is especially designed for dry and hardwood cutting, and the inward curve in the axe head allows for your hand to grip the handle just behind the center of the blade for better control and to transfer the power of your hand directly to the blade, not like when you're using a knife. The axe handle is made of premium grade hickory wood and has a superb ergonomic design that fits your hand perfectly. Also, it is dipped with linseed oil and beeswax for protection. The length of this axe handle is about 18 inches and has a swell knob to prevent the axe from slipping off your hands when you are sweeping it. The axe weighs 1.5 pounds, can be used for prolonged time without putting much pressure on your hand rest. The sheath is made of leather and is used for protecting the axe's sharp edges and also yourself when you carry the axe. The sheath comes with a snap to make it easy when using one hand to remove the axe or putting it back into the sheath when it is attached to your belt. Also, it doesn't cover the axe butt to allow using the axe as a hammer while keeping the blade well guarded. I think it could be better to have this leather strap longer to support a wider belt like mine, and maybe a bit wider for more strength. Anyway, this is not a major shortfall, but nice to have though. That should wrap up this episode. If you have used one of these axes, I would love to read what do you think about them. Thank you for watching and happy woodworking.